Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that can revolutionize how you approach your work and unlock your highest potential, the ideal length of time for deep, focused work. We all want to get more done, whether it's tackling a big project, learning a new skill, or creating something meaningful. But here's the thing, our brains aren't designed for endless hours of grinding. Neuroscience tells us there's a sweet spot, a rhythm to our focus that can supercharge our productivity and creativity. We're going to explore how long you can truly sustain deep focus, why it matters, and how you can harness this knowledge to achieve more in less time. So buckle up, because this is going to change the way you think about work. Our brains operate on ultradian rhythms, natural cycles of alertness that typically last between 90 and 120 minutes. During these windows, your cognitive capacity is at its peak, allowing for intense focus, sharp decision-making, and heightened creativity. This rhythm is rooted in neuroscience, as the brain's neural networks, particularly in the prefrontal cortex, synchronize to support deep work. Pushing beyond this period without a break leads to diminishing returns as mental fatigue sets in and attention wanes. By structuring your work around these cycles, you can maximize productivity without burning out. Timing your tasks to align with these natural peaks ensures you're working with your brain's biology, not against it, for optimal performance. The prefrontal cortex, the brain's command center for focus, planning, and problem solving, is most active during the 90 to 120-minute ultradian rhythm cycles. In these windows, neural firing is optimized, allowing you to tackle complex tasks with clarity and precision. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine surge, enhancing your ability to stay locked in on a single task without distraction. This heightened activity supports creative insights and efficient decision-making. As the cycle progresses, however, the prefrontal cortex fatigues, leading to slower processing and reduced willpower. To leverage this peak, start your most demanding work early in the cycle. This alignment with your brain's natural wiring allows you to produce high-quality output with less effort, harnessing your cognitive potential effectively. After 90 to 120 minutes of deep focus, cognitive fatigue begins to impair performance. The brain's energy reserves, particularly glucose and oxygen used by the prefrontal cortex, deplete during intense mental work. This leads to slower reaction times, reduced problem-solving ability, and increased errors. Studies show that attention and accuracy drop significantly once the ultradian cycle wanes, even if you force yourself to keep going. Willpower also diminishes, making it harder to resist distractions like social media or email. Ignoring this fatigue doesn't just lower productivity, it can lead to burnout over time. Recognizing when your focus window closes is key to avoiding wasted effort. Taking a break at this point preserves your mental resources for the next cycle. To achieve peak productivity, schedule your work sessions to match your brain's ultradian rhythms, which cycle every 90 to 120 minutes. Starting tasks at the beginning of a cycle, when alertness and cognitive function are highest, allows you to tackle complex problems efficiently. Neuroscience research shows that working in sync with these rhythms reduces mental strain and enhances output quality. For example, dedicate these windows to high-priority tasks like writing, strategizing, or learning, and avoid multitasking, which disrupts focus. By respecting your brain's natural ebb and flow, you can accomplish more in less time. Planning your day around these cycles, typically 2 to 3 deep work sessions, optimizes energy allocation, ensuring you're working smarter, not harder, for maximum efficiency. Taking short breaks after a 90 to 120-minute focus cycle is critical for restoring mental energy. During these breaks, the brain replenishes glucose and oxygen, essential for cognitive function, and resets neurotransmitter levels like dopamine. Activities like a brief walk, deep breathing, or even closing your eyes for a few minutes can boost recovery. Research suggests 5 to 15-minute breaks prevent the buildup of stress hormones like cortisol, which impair focus over time. These pauses also help consolidate information, improving memory and learning. Avoid screens or cognitively demanding tasks during breaks, as they can prolong fatigue. By strategically timing these rest periods, you prime your brain for the next focus cycle, maintaining high performance throughout the day. Spending long hours at your desk doesn't guarantee better results. Quality of focus is what drives productivity, Neuroscience shows deep, uninterrupted focus during ultradian rhythm peaks produces superior outcomes compared to extended, distracted work. When you're fully engaged, your brain processes information faster, makes stronger connections, and generates creative solutions. Prolonged work without breaks leads to shallow thinking and errors as cognitive resources dwindle. Studies indicate that 3-4 hours of high-quality focus per day often outperform 8-10 hours of unfocused effort. Prioritizing intense, distraction-free work sessions within the 90 to 120-minute window maximizes efficiency. By focusing on depth over duration, you can achieve more impactful results, leaving time for rest and personal growth without sacrificing output.